Hi, hello, it's me again, Ria, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, come and join me to make the traditional recipe of one of my favorite destinations on earth, Italy. So I am making osso buco, one of the Italian dish. I will show you. I have all my main ingredients for my osso buco here. I have 2 big veal chunks. I already put black pepper and salt. Beef stock, 1 glass of white wine, olive oil, celery finely chopped, lots of onions, tomato paste, carrots, and for my condiments, they call it in Italian gremolata. I have 1 lemon zest here. I blanched it because I don't like the bitter taste. Finely chopped of parsley and finely chopped of garlic. Then the salt and black pepper. And I have a little bit of flour I will use later on, and my pot. In the pan, I will just put 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add another 1 tablespoon of oil. Now I will add 1 glass of white wine. And now I'm going to add the beef stock. I think I will use only 1 cup of it. And I will add again a little bit of beef stock, just a little. And for my gremolata or condiments, I will just put the parsley is about 4 tablespoons. And my lemon zest, I blanch it about 2 teaspoons. And the last one, garlic, I will just put 1 tablespoon. Thank you so much for your time watching my videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and keep safe. Bye!